Okay, so tomorrow is actually my 29th birthday. Tonight is obviously the eve before my birthday. I went out, I got my nails done. I haven't had my nails back. Oh my gosh, it's been months since I've had my nails done. And the lady did such a pretty job. It took forever, I'll be honest. I was at the salon forever. But I decided to treat myself. They're a little bit longer. I used to get them this long all the time. I have no problem functioning with these long nails or anything, but she started off really long, and I went somewhere new today and she kept cutting them back, and at one point I felt bad. Well, I went somewhere new today and I told her that I wanted them long. So she started off like really long, and I kept having her cut them back and cut them back and cut them back. And I got to a point where I just felt bad asking her to keep cutting them back. So I was like, yeah, that's good, but they're still a little bit long. So next time I go, I'm gonna have them cut down probably another, like, I don't know. But yeah, the design is really pretty. I am happy with them. I'm also enjoying a nice, this is actually good. This is my first time trying this from Smirnoff. It's their pink lemonade. It's pretty good. But I figured, in honor of my last year in my 20s, now would be a perfect opportunity to start to learn how to freaking knit. All jokes aside, I've always kind of had an interest in learning how to crochet. I talked briefly, I think in a couple vlogs ago, about learning how to use like clay to make like earrings and stuff, and even like pop sockets and iPhone covers, and now I want to get into crocheting. Like I'm a jack of all trades, you know, and a master of none. I enjoy learning about just I just have an interest in a whole bunch of different things. I even have a sewing machine that I want to learn how to sew pretty soon on. So do I have a necessary goal of learning how to crochet? Like, do I want to make something specific? Not right now. I don't know, though. I'll find something that I'm really good at, I guess. So I got 3 different colors to start. I think I also have a hot pink in the house, but I got this light pink, this sort of periwinkle color, which the wrapping decided to come off, and then this teal aqua color, and then I also got, just to start, these little, what are they called, crochet hook. Okay, easy enough, but they have a couple different sizes. So one thing I did learn, which I'm about to watch a video, I'm about to try my first stitch. That's why I brought you guys out here, because I wanted to kind of document that. But one thing I did learn from TikTok, thank you, is on the wrapping, which is why you want to keep the wrapping, it actually shows what size needle you need to use. So for like these sizes in particular, they're the 5, what is it, 5, what does the MM stand for? Millimeter? Possibly. But that would be the yellow one. Actually, do these have the numbers right on them? I'm gonna take, I guess we'll take the blue one out. Okay, yeah, so it does actually have the size right on it. So this is the 5.5, which I think my hot pink yarn is 5.5. I think the yellow one is the size that I'm gonna need. Right here, 5. Yep, 5.0. So this is the hook that I'm gonna use. I don't know what color I should do. I kind of keep gravitating toward this one, or even this pair. I think this was the color of my senior prom dress. Really random, but maybe I'll start with the periwinkle. And I will link down the video. I found a really good video here right on YouTube of like crochets for beginners. So I'm gonna follow like the first episode and the second episode, because I did watch it once the other day. There was 2 episodes that I got into where I paused it and I was like, okay, I need to go get a few things from the store. So now I'm picking up where I left off. Go check out those videos, use them as reference, support that channel, and we're gonna try to make our first stitch. I'm excited.
I had to mute this part of the video because I had some music playing in the background for copyright purposes, but following the video that I linked in the description, I'm first starting by making a slip knot. I guess this is your first step of starting any crochet project. So here I am mastering the technique of creating a slip knot, and then I was even able to start my first chain.
Good morning, everybody. So today I'm so excited. I'm excited. Okay, don't mind me. I went out to dinner last night. We went to go check out this place. It was a local seafood place. But they ran into like issues with their licensing a couple of months ago, so they had to like rebrand and everything. It was this whole thing. But we went there yesterday and it was really good. I don't eat seafood, but they had like sandwiches and no, they had good stuff. Ew, Arrow. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Nope, 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 nope. Get it away. I don't want it. Good morning. I love you. Come on, go. Go. Take it elsewhere. I don't want it. Also, we did this whole path, this new walkway. I'm super excited actually. We also got these flowers. These are beautiful. These should come back every year. But these are all annual flowers. So I'm gonna replace these obviously every year. Maybe next year I'll replace them with some pre-annuals so we don't have to keep replacing them. But I staggered some lighting. Those are just cheap lights for now. Eventually I'll get more lights, but I had lights and kids break them, step over them, trip over them. I tripped over a few, so I'm expecting them to break, but it's super cute. I love the pathway. It's not like perfectly straight, so it kind of has a whimsical feel to it. Oh, also over here, I started a little area for a garden. So I have some seed starters. Truthfully, it's quite late in the season, even later for you guys. For me, filming right now, it's still late in the season, but I'm still gonna try. I have some seed starter. I got some seeds. We have strawberries started in here, and like literally almost nothing is grown because this was just planted a few days ago. That is a celery coming in. That actually has quite a bit of growth to it because I started growing it in water. That's just a little weed I gotta so the only thing actually showing right now is the celery. And then, by the way, real quick, I'm sorry if that seemed mean to my cat. He's constantly bringing me rabbits and birds, and it is the saddest thing. And then he'll start eating it next to me, so I hear the crunching of the bones. I'm just not interested. Okay, I had romaine lettuce going. It was going really well. It's now rotted. So today at work, actually, I'm gonna grab some more heads of lettuce. But check out my onion. The onion is a thing I honestly had the least amount of hope in, but freaking look at it. Isn't this scallions or something? Like, I'm just gonna let it grow. I also wanna get some pumpkins. So in the fall, I'm hoping to have a little pumpkin patch the kids can go shopping in. And here's another celery. It's a better look. I'm gonna replant these two into that garden bed that you saw earlier today. And then I have one more little box like this that has potatoes in it, and it has sunflowers. So obviously sunflowers, those are annual, those will have to get replanted, but I'm hoping that my sunflowers will grow so I can harvest the seeds and have seeds for next season. But yeah, I'm so excited today. I am going to pick up my new car. It's a used car, but it's new to me. It's a 2018 Kia Noro. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna have to ask him how to pronounce it. It's like N-A-R-O or N-O-R-O. I don't remember. I googled it yesterday. I haven't even seen the freaking car in person right now. But the guy sent us like tons and tons of photos, reports, like any information on the car. We're going through like a dealer and not like a private sale. I ended up financing a car because my credit got so shot during my marriage and stuff. So I'm working on trying to rebuild that credit. So I was like, well, I can either dump $4 to $5 grand right now into a beater that may or may not last a couple of years, or I can put a down payment down and make payments every week. Ideally, you know, I'd want to have no debt, ideally, but I also have horrid credit and I need to rebuild that up anyway. And I don't have credit cards. I don't really have another way to do that. So I figured the car would be the best option. Obviously, just gotta stay on top of payments, which I'm more than prepared to do. But yeah, we're gonna go see my baby for the first time today. I do have to open at work, but they are aware. I have to meet the guy who is basically the runner at town hall. So I've been driving my mom's Jeep for like a month. I gotta bring my mom's Jeep to the town hall for noon. register my vehicle with this guy. I actually got to fill out my insurance information this morning too. I'm gonna do that first thing. Register my vehicle. Oh, hi. No more rabbit. That's the way I want to see you. I don't want to see you with a big rabbit in your mouth. It's nasty. It's nasty. Mother, I crave violence. This cat. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go see. So, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna meet him at noon at the town hall. Drop my mom's Jeep off. She's gonna pick it up there. I think my stepdad's either gonna bring her or I'm gonna bring her to go get her Jeep. And then the runner is going to take me to go get my car over in Massachusetts. So that's what's happening. I'm going for a ride with a stranger today. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's plastic on because he was shampooing and I was like, I gotta go. So they put plastic on in case it's still damp. Oh my gosh, it's my new car. So it's a Kia Nira, N-I-R-A. I don't know how to pronounce it yet, but I will, I swear. It's a 2018, so it's a little newer. Oh my gosh. It has that car smell. I'm so excited, you guys. I have my own car again. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm freaking out right now. Okay, ready? I've never had a push to start, but I have had friends or family, I forget who had a push to start. So I think you step on the brake. Oh my God, it's so cute. I'm having a panic attack. All right, I gotta, oh God, okay. Turn it down, power. How do I turn the, okay, that's how I turn it off, but how do I turn it? Okay, I'm gonna play with all this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I gotta go get another holder for my phone because my old one is in my Pilot, which still needs to go to the junkyard. I think the last thing I recorded with you guys was actually me getting this car. I'm on my way to work right now, but I just stopped at Dunkin' Donuts real quick and I'm gonna try their like omelet bites. They've probably been out for forever now at this point, but I've never tried it, so I figured I'd bring you guys with me. Not much exciting else going on today, just figured I'd share the experience. Also, I probably need to go to, I want to switch over. I'm on Verizon right now. I really want to switch over to Metro. I think I'm gonna go get a new phone pretty soon, so if my video quality changes, I'll let you know. But this phone,
$6.29.
thank you.
You're welcome.
This phone right now, the port, like the charger port doesn't work anymore, so I have to solely rely on wireless chargers. Thank you. And it's the biggest pain in the butt, and I paid for a warranty for my phone.
Can I move you to the next window?
Oh yeah, sure. We paid $100 extra last year for a warranty for my phone, but I dropped it so much that I'm still under warranty, but it's still going to cost me like a couple $100 out of pocket. And I'm just trying to avoid that if I can, because I wanted to switch over carriers anyway. So there's no real point in me buying another Verizon phone if I'm going to be switching over to Android. So it's just a matter. So I got to get my butt to Metro. So maybe I got to find time to do that. I honestly don't think it's going to be until next week though. I also got a glazed donut. Oh my god. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay. Oh,
I am struggling to find somewhere to place my phone.
Okay, it seems a little informal, but this will do. So here it comes. Oh my God. They're a little, oh, they're squishy. Okay, I don't know what I was expecting. It's an omelet. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's really hot. I mean, they had me pull up and stuff, so maybe they had to throw more in the oven or something. Ow. Mind you, this was like $5. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Not a big fan. I don't like them. Well, okay. Let's go make that $5 back.